All right, this is your second example in completing the square. We're going to do number 4. So you got k squared plus 8k plus 12 equals 0. First step is we're going to subtract 12 on both sides because we want the k's by themselves just for simplicity, nothing else. It's just to keep ourselves organized a little better. So on this side, I'm going to do the steps for completing the square. I'm going to take 8 because that's the number next to the variable that has a exponent of 1. I'm going to divide it by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and then I'm going to take the square of that. 4 squared is 16. So now I'm going to write it like this. K squared plus 8k plus 16 equals negative 12 plus 16. All right, now let's clean it up a little bit. I'm going to use a different color for this. Negative 12 plus positive 16 is 4. And I know that if I take 4, right, if I take this number right here, and I square it, I get 16, and if I add it to itself, I get 8. So I could just write it like this, k plus 4 squared. Now to solve this, I have to use the inverse properties, and to get rid of a squared, I have to take a square root. Now, the only thing is, though, when I take the square of 4, I have to remember this. It could be positive 2 or negative 2, right? Because this thing can, what's in here could be positive or negative because it's squared. So I have to solve for both. So I write k plus 4 equals 2, k plus 4 equals negative 2. I do the inverse, which is subtract 4 on both sides. So for number 4, k can either equal positive 2 minus 4 is negative 2. And a negative 2 minus 4 is a negative 6. So k can either equal negative 6 or negative 2. One more video. If you're still confused, please find me and ask me for help. But you have to watch all 3 videos in order for me to help you.